Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and today it is time to unbox my monthly Vellabox that I receive in the mail. Yes, Vellabox is a candle subscription service that I am a part of, and I always like to unbox it with my lovely elves. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Since it is February, I'm anticipating this one being a course Valentine's love theme type of box, but we'll see what we have. I have it right here, and yeah, we'll get into it shortly. But before we do that, elves, you know what time it is. Lipstick of the day, everyone, rather gloss of the day. We went with a color you all have seen me wear in lipstick form, but I want to wear it in its gloss form, and this is none other than MAC Sin Gloss. Yes, MAC Sin. That's what we're wearing. I remember getting this in like a set, but they do definitely have the lipstick. Of course, all this information will be in the description box below as always. Easy way to find everything. Next up, fragrance of the day, everyone. Fragrance of the day. This is an oldie but goodie. I sang its praises in one of my recent videos. This is a forever fragrance for me. This is none other than Tom Ford's Velvet Orchid. Yes, Velvet Orchid, aka the purple bottle. This one doesn't get enough love and praise. It's beautiful and everything. It just gave me what I needed. So all right, elves, let's get into this month's Vellabox. So all right, when we open it up, let's see here. We have You Matter Now and Always As You Are. And they have a Spotify playlist. I'm enjoying that. Listen while you burn for the ultimate vibe. Play our February playlist on Spotify. So I'm really digging that. That's what the inside looks like. And I'm loving the perfectly square boxes that they have. They have information on the outside as always. And we have their main mission, which is about supporting small candle businesses on the side. Because that's the main thing why I like Vellabox. They're about supporting small candle makers throughout the US, which I'm all about small business when I can be. And yeah, so let's get into this month. We have two things in here. The candle of the month is in its normal sack right here that it always comes in. That's branded with Vellabox. We like that. Yay. And as always, we have our lovely info card that comes every month with the information about the brand, which I do like. And it makes it easy for you to find them. So without further ado, let's get into which candle I got this month. And this is our candle, everyone. And we have the Jetem candle. Jetem. Fun fact, I actually took 2 years of French in high school and I'm completely rusty. I've lost it all. And the sad point is I've actually been to France, and after I got back from that trip, I completely just can't speak it anymore. But anywho, it's Jetem. That's the name of the candle. Oh, and it has the notes on the front. Check that out so y'all can get into the detail. I really like that. So let's see here. We have Midnight Jasmine, Red plus Blackberry, Tonka Bean, Fresh Bergamot, and Amber. 100% soy. And this is the brand Forget Me Not Candle is the name of the brand. So as always, I like to check the info card that they have with it. So let's see what more information they have on here. Okay, Jetem for fans of floral. Again, the notes are jasmine, red, and blackberry, tonka bean, bergamot, and amber. And it says, based in love and topped with romance, this flame burns strong. Set the mood just right and bask in this beautiful fragrance that is both soft and sultry. I like that. I'm glad I went with this one. And let's see here. The brand of the month is Forget Me Not Candle. Let's see here. They are based out of, oh, cool. They're based out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm based in Memphis, Tennessee. So, okay, yeah, a little bit of state love. We'll take it. Go Chattanooga. Totally different life, totally different culture there. But hey, I'm going to rip it for the sake of the state. Oh, and it's a woman-owned business. That's why I do like that too. They're 100% vegan and free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for pets and your home. And they don't cause headaches. So that's very nice. We love a good woman-owned business. And again, they're out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. I will have their information as well as their IG handle in the description box below, so you all can check them out in your own spare time. And then as always, you know, in my box, which I have the Vivere box, they have other tiers of boxes, of course. The Vivere is the biggest one, but you can purchase things for gifts. You can send it as a as a wedding gift, a baby shower gift, different types of monthly subscriptions, and they have various affordable types of plans you can do, or you can just buy candles as you see fit. They have a lot of things on their site, so that's what I like about them. So anywho, you all, let's get back into it. The bonus item of the month, this is, oh, okay, wait. Got a little dusty there in transit. This is an aromatherapy shower mist. This is our bonus gift for this month. I really enjoy the fact that I don't know what type of bonus gift I'm gonna get every month, but it's normally something in the self-care realm. Like last month we got the cotton pads, which are very, very nice. I have those on my bathroom sink, which I do use. I like those. But anywho, back to this month, we have this shower mist, and it's called Morning Calm. It's from the brand Essence One, and they are handcrafted. So Essence One, they're a business. They're out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. So cool. I have their information as well in the description box. It's also another woman-owned business, so we like that. She has a background in aromatherapy. So, okay, we like somebody with a little background with the products. They're meant to smell amazing, uplift mood, and generally melt away tension. And their mission is to break the stigma that surrounds mental health. So that's really nice. And they give back to donate to causes related to mental health. I do like that. It's 100% natural ingredients as well for those that do care. So yes, they're all about stress-free life, but keeping it healthy. Positive vibes. Let's see here, you're supposed to shake it a few times and then spray it into your shower steam, and then you allow their therapeutic aroma to awaken your senses. Okay, I might be trying this tonight. Okay. So they had other candles for the month. They had a cozy cashmere, and those were for people that like fresh and sweet and spicy type of scents. And then they also had a winter lodge candle that was fans of the woodsy. But again, I got the one for the fans of floral. That is the Jetem. And yeah, let's go inside of it. So single wick candle, white wax. Okay, this smells like love. It just smells like love. Whoever knew love had a smell. I definitely get the red and the blackberries for sure in this. Now let's see here, the other notes. The midnight jasmine, I'm gonna have to burn it to get. The amber, I want to see how that rounds this out. Tonka bean makes anything smell like it's yummy. So yeah, this is a very yummy scent. It's fruity. And it smells like love. I'm here for it. With the name like Jetem, I'm here for this. And I'm excited to burn this candle. As always, y'all will see it in a later post-burn review, because y'all know I burn everything on this here channel. You know, just stay tuned for the next episode. You know how we do. But alas, elves, that wraps up my Vellabox unboxing for this month. As always, I do have a code with Vellabox that will be in the description box if you are interested in trying them out, and it can save you some money when you first sign up with them. We love that. So definitely check out all that information in the description box. If you're feeling me, subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, like the video. Until then, I'll see you all the next time. Bye, elves.